Hey everyone, McKenna Fetty here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale. 1132 Ash Grove has so much to offer, and I can't wait to show you. Let's get jumping through this property. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this tour. If you'd like to see more awesome houses just like this, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, if you're looking for your own personal tour, call the number, because guess what? We can take you through this property for your own private tour all on your own. But we'll catch you next time. Can't wait to see you.